we have Priya Prakash, the co-founder and COO of Naturally Yours, a healthy noodles and pasta brand. The bootstrapped company was founded in 2010, and Priya is a certified nutrition coach and biotechnologist. Priya, welcome. So according to you, what are some of the pitfalls that women entrepreneurs specifically should avoid? This will be pretty helpful for the young and aspiring women founders that are tuning in.
Talking about pitfalls, I can talk about a few that I've encountered, stumbled through in my journey. So number one among that would be not networking enough. So that is an issue that many entrepreneurs, men or women maybe a little more than men, encounter. So basically we have three kinds of networks. So one is operational network, which we all have, basically individuals that are required for your business. So it could be suppliers, it could be customers, it could be your logistics partners, your team, etc. So all of us cultivate that. The second would be your personal network, so basically your friends and family. But the issue arises whenever you are stuck, like Tanya mentioned, like whenever you have some kind of a predicament, you have some kind of a confusion how to go ahead here. So if we cannot turn to our customers for that, obviously. And if we go to our personal network, not many of them may be entrepreneurs. So they would not understand our struggles, like what we are going through, what is happening in our journey, because they do not relate to it. So at that time, it's very easy to kind of feel lonely that you are actually struggling alone. No one is actually sharing your struggle here. So that's where the third kind of network, which most of us ignore, is required, which is strategic network. Basically, speak to fellow entrepreneurs who are in a similar journey. They need not be in your category. They could just be just about anyone. But they're also going through the same struggles, maybe in different formats. So talking to them helps. And whenever you have some kind of a confusion, kind of unloading your confusion, unloading your fears, getting some kind of inputs, doing some pros and cons with that kind of network really helps. So speak to people. I think we should keep like one day, an hour, maybe every Friday, where you say that I'll probably reignite my passive contacts, my school friends, my college friends. It need not be with an agenda. Just say hi, hello, connect with them. LinkedIn has been great for me, where you connect with people, like anyone for that matter. You connect with them, get to know them, get to know their journey. So that really helps. So networking is one pitfall I feel people have been kind of avoiding. Second would be the need to be perfect. Whether it is in your home front, whether it's in your office front, as a mom, as an entrepreneur, I'm like pulled in 1,000 different directions every single day. And I do drop the ball a few times. So it is necessary to know that, okay, it's okay. You made a mistake, move on. That's all. Not all mistakes are actually that fatal as how you make it out in your head. It's okay. You made a mistake. That's fine. Consider it as a stepping stone to bring about improvements in your organization, bring about improvements in yourself, and just move along. But what many times happens is that you obsess over those mistakes. You kind of let that guilt and that self-criticism, we are our biggest critics. So you let that keep accumulating, and that eventually leads to you thinking that, oh my God, I'm not good at anything that I'm doing right now. I'm not doing a good job at home. I'm not doing a good job at office. So that is something that you need to overcome. That it's okay. Forgive yourself. That's it. Be kind to yourself. Forgive yourself. You made a mistake. That's okay. Move on. Doesn't matter. So that is something that we need to kind of think that, okay, prioritize. This needs perfectionism. And there are some issues that kind of, okay, it's okay if it's not that great. Just go ahead with that. So that is the second thing. And the third thing, what I feel is that we tend to do everything. So we are great at multitasking. We are good at all these aspects. So let us do everything. If we don't do it, it will not done correctly. So I feel that is another issue. Okay. Keep a few things that are required for your organization, for the growth of your organization. What is really important, do it yourself. The rest, delegate it to people. If things go wrong, it's okay. Don't immediately jump on it that, I should have done that. That's why that went wrong. It's okay. If it went wrong, it's okay. Just empower the person, empower the team to handle it, help them to take care of it, and then stick to your lane so that you have some time for your family. You have some time to upskill yourself. You have to keep learning. That is something that you have to go on, whether an entrepreneur or not. I mean, you need to keep learning at every point of time. You need to learn new skills. And now, especially with the online advent, the opportunities that are available are like innumerable. So I think that is the third thing that I would say, that, okay, delegate. It will give you more time to keep your sanity. So those are the three things that I feel.